Have you noticed those tiny animal POV videos that look like they were filmed with a miniature action camera? They're getting millions of views across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Some creators have built huge audiences just by posting this style content, because people love how realistic and immersive it looks. The good news is that you don't need expensive software or professional editing skills to make them. In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete process from start to finish using free AI tools. Follow each step carefully because every part of the workflow helps create a smooth final result. Let's begin. To create these videos, first open ChatGPT, click on More, then GPTs, and search for Micro Camera Animal. Open the first result and click Start Chat. A new conversation will open. Click Start, and ChatGPT will ask which animal you'd like to create. You can choose one of the suggested animals or type your own. For this example, I will choose Harvest Mouse. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate both an image prompt and multiple video prompts for your project. Now it's time to create the image. Search for Flow AI on Google and open the website. Click New Project to open the dashboard. Select Image, then set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the generated image prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and press Enter. After a short wait, your image will be ready. As you can see, our starting image has been generated successfully. Next, we'll animate it. Click the three dots on the image and select Add to Prompt so the image is included. Then choose Frames to Video. Keep the aspect ratio at 9:16. Set the result to 1x and select your preferred video length. Now return to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and generate the video. Our first clip is now ready. Before moving to the next scene, save the last frame of this clip. This is an important step because it helps maintain visual continuity between clicks and keeps the animation looking seamless. Click the three dots on the save frame and select Animate. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second video prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and generate the next clip. After a short wait, your second clip will be ready. Repeat this same process for all the remaining prompts until you've generated every clip in the sequence. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI content. If you run into any problems or have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.